I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a test question on isolating variables. Consider the equation d equals to ut plus half at square. Isolate u. And part B is find u if d equals to 30 meters, t is 3 seconds, and a is 6 meters per second square. Now this is a very common equation which is used to calculate distance or displacement when an object starts with initial velocity of u and accelerates over a period of time, and a is the acceleration. So we'll take MKS units, meters for displacement, seconds for time, meters per second square for acceleration, and meters per second for velocity or speed. Anyway, let's get back to the question. We need to isolate u. So let's isolate u. We are given equation d equals to ut plus half at square. We want what u is. We don't want this. So let's take away half at square from both sides. So we get d minus half at square equals to ut. Now we can divide by t, right? So when you divide by t, you get u on the right side. We get d over t minus half at square over t, correct? Now here you can see that t gets cancelled. So we get d over t minus at over 2, correct? So let me rewrite this as u equals 2. So let me write it on the right side because we'll use this equation for part B. So let's write this as u equals to d over t, right? d over t minus at divided by 2. So that becomes equation in terms of u. So we basically take half at square to the left and then divide by 2 to get this equation. So that's part A, right? We have isolated variable u. Now part B is we are given d as 30. So we'll replace d with 30. So u equals to 30. Let's consider units, meters. Okay. Time, t is 3 seconds. 3 seconds minus. So let's write down times brackets, units. A, 6 meters per second square. 6 meters per second square. Okay. Time, t, 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Divide by 2. Right. So if you look at the units, you got meters per second. Here we have s and s cancels out. So again meters per second. Do you see that? Same units. So u will be 30 divided by 3 is 10 meters per second minus, you can divide this by 2, 3 and 3 is 9 minus 9 meters per second. That's the unit, and that gives you 1 meter per second, right? So value of u is 1 meters per second. So in these questions, when the units are given to you, it's a good idea to also include units, right? Or you could have just included it at the end if you think that is easier for you, right? Okay, anyway, I hope that helps. I'm Anil Kumar. Feel free to post your questions, subscribe to my videos, and if you like, that'll be excellent. Thank you and all the best.